Welcome you student. Today we shall start our new chapter, linear equation in two variables. So let's start our class. We all the familiar with the word of equation, we know that. Now in this chapter we talk about linear equation in two variables. What is linear equation? An equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Meaning of linear, we don't know that linear polynomial, those polynomials whose degree is 1. If you see their degree is 1, x is 1, y is 1. An equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 where a, b, c are real number, and one condition is must where a is not equals to 0 and b is also not equals to 0. So this is called linear equation in a two variable. Which variables? Variable of x and variable of y. Take an example. Suppose you write 2x plus 3y equals to 9. This is linear. How linear? Their degree is 1. And with these are two variables. First variable is x, second variable is y. If I write 2x plus 3y equals to 9, same as another equation, 0.2x plus 0.5y is equals to 3. This is the linear equation in two variables. Now next we talk about solution of linear equation. How we find solution of any linear equation. Suppose we have to assume x equal to alpha and y equals to beta. B and solution. Solution means what? Those values which given by any solution, any equation which satisfy that values. So we have to assume x equal to alpha and y equals to beta be the solution of this equation. Which equation? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. If a alpha plus b beta plus c is equals to 0, which satisfy the values of x and values of y of this equation become 0, then we said what? X equal to alpha and y equals to beta be a solution of these equations. How? Take an example. Suppose so that we have to take an example so that x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 be a solution of this equation. So we have to check x equal to 3 and y equals to 2 is solution or not of this equation. Now see, these are our LHS. In LHS our equation is equation part is 5x minus 3y. In a place of x, what we write here? X equal to 3 into, in a place of y we write 2. This becomes 15 minus 6. This becomes 9. It means LHS value is 9 and RHS value is also given 9. Therefore what we said? LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore what we said? X equal to 3, y equals to 2 be a solution of which equation? This equation, because the value will be satisfy both equation. This x equal to 3 and y equals to 2 satisfy the both values. I hope this one is clear to you. How we find the solution of any linear equation out simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Simultaneous linear equation in two variables. What it means simultaneous? First we define it. Two linear equation in two unknown x and y are said to be formed a system of simultaneous linear equation if each of them satisfied by same pair of values of x and y. What is said simultaneous equation? We have two linear equations with two unknowns x and y are said to be simultaneous if each of them satisfy the same pair of values of x and y. Suppose you have to take x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equals to 2. If we solve both equations, we get one value of x and one value of y, and both values satisfy both equations. If we substitute in this equation first, this satisfy these values, and if we substitute in this equation, this satisfy this. So simultaneous means if pair of equations solved, the values we get, we satisfy the both equation. This type of system of equation is known as simultaneous linear equation. I hope this one is clear to you. Consistent system of linear equation. What is the meaning of consistent linear equation? A system of two linear equations in two unknown is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. If it has at least one solution. Meaning of consistent means if we solve any equation, we get one values is known as one values or one solution is known as consistent system of linear equation. Same as inconsistent system of linear equation. What it means? A system of equation in two unknown is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. If it has no solutions at all. Suppose you solve a pair of equation and you didn't get any solution, then we said it is an inconsistent linear equation or inconsistent value. I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly. Thank you.